I don't think we're going to see a blue orchid today, Maya.
Maybe the goat ate them.
I'm getting quite hungry myself. Let's get home for dinner. I think Gwendolyn has had enough today.
Who's this floating fellow?
Grandma, look! Is this a blue orchid?
I never thought we'd actually find it. It's even prettier than I remember.
I better take a picture. Huh? What's wrong?
I think we've run out of photos, Maya.
We could bring the flower home instead and put it in a pot.
I think the orchid likes being on the mountain.
I guess so, but I'm going to take a picture in my head like this. Click. I'll remember what it looks like without a photo.
And so will I, Maya.